Do you have a question about your porn brain reboot? Well, I'm here to answer it for you this Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live here on YouTube. So get your questions ready and put them in the comment box below so that I can be prepared on Friday to get as many answers out to you about the important aspects of leaving porn behind for good, getting on purpose in your life, in your work, in your relationships, in your hobbies, so that you can avoid slips and relapses, gain the traction and momentum that you need to be successful in the short run for long-term success. That's what I'm here for. So meet me here, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. Drop your questions in the comment box below. And until then, control your brain, or indeed it will control you.